So this weekend we're at the Southport Caravan and Motorhome Club for the Southport Air Show. Is that what it's called? Southport Air Show?
I guess so.
Southport Air Show. Because I'm a bit of a nerd and I quite like the red arrows and planes. So, yeah. Tonight we're just having a beer, chilling and taking in the scenery.
Careful, it's very full.
Good morning, sunshine.
Morning. We've never camped this close to home before. We're 30 miles from home. It took us about an hour to get here as well, Friday. Today's Saturday. I've no idea what I'm going to say. It's a caravan and motorhome club site in Southport. It's right near the coast and the Southport Air Show is on this weekend, so we thought we'd do something a bit different. 75 quid for 2 nights it is. But we're right on the fringe of the air show, so it's all about location. We just decided that in our life we're going to start doing stuff that we always say, ooh, that'd be good to go and see. So the air show is one of them. Oktoberfest is definitely one of them. We've booked that. And then obviously things like the Highland Games, something that you always think, oh, that'd be good to see. We're going to go and see it in September.
I want to go to a firework extravaganza.
Sarah wants to go to a firework extravaganza.
I think it's on in Wrexham, not
Wrexham?
Yeah.
Take me to all the best places, love.
Southport, Wrexham.
Sarah's bought a gadget. It's called Crimpet. And it's just... I've just opened your Crimpet thing.
Oh,
it's
yeah.
just a...
Oh, it is just a novelty item, probably, but
apparently you buy thins. So we've got some Warburton's thins, and you put a thin in that, crimp it down, toast it, microwave it, whatever, and it sort of like crimps it, like seals the ingredients or the filling into your sandwich.
In it in a fridge monkey, it said.
So this morning we're having little bacon medallions. Maybe with a bit of cheese.
Oh yeah, there's no point crimping it down unless there's cheese in it.
Bacon and cheese crimpets. Lesson learned. Don't cook Tesco bacon in the Ridge Monkey because you end up boiling it. It lets off that much bloody water. Oops, the pan's black. You can actually see the bacon smoke around me on the screen. So now that we have burned our bacon to a crisp, we're now going to attempt, bloody hell, the campsite's full of smoke. We're now going to attempt to crimp it.
Not to overfill it, so I think that's enough cheese.
No, there's never enough cheese. So we've got a rare black bacon.
Mm-hmm.
We haven't got a toaster in this van anymore, have we? So then I'm guessing you put that on top.
Yeah, and squash it down. Squash the lid down before you put the crimp on. Listen, that's what seals it, you push it in.
So it turns out you don't toast the actual crimpet, which we were about to do. You crimp it and then remove it.
Oh.
Look at that.
I'm liking it. And now you toast the bad boy.
It's definitely a gimmick, but it works and we all like gimmicks. We've got bacon and cheese in ours, little bacon medallions and Cathedral City cheese. It works well. I have to experiment with a few different fillings, try and get the best out of it.
And by the way, we bought this, it's not, no one sent it us and we didn't know that.
Yeah, what do we pay? About 10 quid?
Yeah, I'm just a sucker for a novelty item.
Dynamic manoeuvring, very, very small aircraft. You sit tight right in the middle of the fuselage, surrounded by the wings. There's not much to it. The importance of this sort of flying. Chill, opening pilots, and areas upside down. And we'll talk a little bit more about how these various G's are facing. Coming your way in the form of our first generation of multi-role helicopters, specifically procured to operate a frigates, destroyers, and patrol navies. Just imagine. Don't just do this pretend job. Royal Air Force Air about to see Loretto!
Oh, look how red it is.
Yeah. Mum was reminding the kids to put sun cream on the red. Because Alan wasn't a kid, he didn't think he needed reminding, so didn't put any on. And now he's a lobster. Lobster.
Rock lobster.
You're my lobster. What's that off?
We've just been to the Southport Air Show. God, my arms are tired already holding this bloody camera. It was ace, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We were on the beach with no sun cream on.
I had sun cream on.
And I think I'm going to regret it.
We got peckish halfway through the day, so we did a trek to Morrison's and got some chicken and a salad.
And some donuts. Morrison's donuts are the best.
Mm-hmm.
Fact.
And then we went back after the air show, and instead of Peroni, we're having
Erdinger.
Yeah, 8 bottles we got for
They were
12 quid.
two quid each. And if you buy 4, you get the 4th. If you buy 3, you get 1 free. So it was like 6 quid for 4 bottles.
You buy 4, you get 1 free.
Yeah, so that's what I meant. So we got like 8 bottles of that. So waiting for it to cool down. Barbecue's going on in a minute. And I've just put, what time is it? 4:30? I've just put
5:15.
5:15 and I've only just put sun cream on now.
Genius.
Been on the beach all day, in the sun, with the wind, and my solar panel for my love machine being on show. So look at that. Fuck.
Your solar panel for your love machine?
Yeah. That's what it is, look. See?
What's the love machine?
Love machine. So anyway, we've got beer in the fridge. And what's Sarah done when it's red hot? What are you drinking?
Well, not yet, but I'm making a cup of tea.
Who else makes a cup of tea in the hot weather?
I did catering at college, and my
It kills you down.
teacher said that if you drink a hot drink on a hot day, it kills you down.
Bullshit.
Fact.
Is that teacher still in employment? I bet they're not.
Yeah. Yeah. Fact.
We finally have a little bit of shade. Look at my head.
I don't have a bit of shade, it's directly on me. Boom, boom.
It says you with a ginger skin as well.
Ginger skin and a burnt nose.
Look at my head. It's
Someone's just entertaining the children on their shoulders, singing us a lovely song.
finally have a little bit of shade for my baldy
Ginger
bonds.
noggin. Alan shaves his head because he's got ginger hair.
Alan shaved his head
Because he's got ginger hair.
because he'd look like an MP without it, because I've got a big bald spot on the top. Anyway, I have created a beautiful gourmet burger with quality beef burger, a nice bit of fake cheese, a little slither of bacon on it, and some crispy onions.
So the gourmet burger is...
Hang on, I haven't finished.
Go on.
So it's a Saint Pierre
Tesco brioche bun.
brioche bun as well. Quality.
So we've got a Costco burger,
Costco burger, yeah.
dried onions from Tesco,
Excuse me.
and the shit bacon that we used this morning to try and make our thin sandwich thingies.
The truth just ruins it, doesn't it?
Yeah, but you know,
Anyway,
we ain't fancy.
we're on our third half-litre bottle of Erdinger now.
I'll be,
Which is right in the way of Sarah's face.
I'll be smashed.
Smashed. Got sausages on the burgers, just
Sausages
on the burgers.
Alan smashed. Sorry. Cut out that bit that was
We are,
twice.
I'm used to cutting out your bad language out of our videos.
No, no, about the effing and jeffing. That's not nice though, saying that.
Anyway, we have got sausages on the barbecue, just cooking indirect at the moment, just to get the temperature up nicely.
Because I don't like them.
So we've got some more Saint Pierre. You put the boat right in front of your face.
Oh, fucking sorry.
We have got some more Saint Pierre brioche finger rolls.
And if you can hear in the background, something's reversing. We've got some more Saint Pierre sausage rolls that are brioche.
No sausage rolls, finger rolls. And
rolls for sausages.
for
I meant.
anyone who's wondering what that is called on our burger, what our burger's on,
It's a bun.
it's a balm.
It's a balm.
It's a balm cake. I just thought I'd update you
Chin chin.
that we've had a few beers. The light's weird in here, isn't it?
I know you might think we're
Look at my head.
alcoholics. You might think we're alcoholics, but what? We've had 2.5 bottles of Erdinger and we're pissed, so that just says it all, doesn't it?
People are switching off by now. We're going.
So long, farewell, la vida and goodbye.
Adieu, 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 adieu.
No.
I
I can't even think what it is because you've just sang it so friggin' wrong.
Bye. We are full up to here with beer and up to here with food.
But there's this much room for a custard donut.
Oh, we've got custard donuts left.
Oh, yeah.
How shining my head is. Anyway, we've been having a chat tonight.
Oh, yeah.
While we are a teeny tiny little channel, there seems to be a few people who have similar interests to us. We've got plans to go back to a place that we visited years ago, and it's an off-grid cottage up in the hills amongst the forests of North Wales in Snowdonia, and it's an amazing place. It's very, very basic, but it's in the middle of nowhere, and it's quite an experience to stay there. And it houses about 16 people, I think.
I thought it was about 30, but yeah, you said 16.
I'm pretty sure it's 13 or 16. We've kind of been discussing whether in 3, 6, 9 months, whatever it is, probably during winter some point, whether we arrange to get people to come with us. You know, people who like us and people who are like us. We don't do meetups and stuff because it's a bit weird, and we certainly don't want people to come just to meet us. We kind of want people to come to experience something that we enjoy and just make it your own experience, but we will show you what's available, sort of thing.
We might not even show you what's available. When we say show you what's available, we'll show you the cottage after that.
Well, yeah,
we're no tour guides, people.
No. It's in an amazing location high up in the hills,
Above Betsy Cupboard.
surrounded by trees. You've got no neighbours. There's no mains electricity. It's gas bottle only.
I think it's 2 bedrooms with bunk beds in them.
Yeah. We're planning. It's been closed since before the pandemic. It closed down for lockdown, and it hasn't opened since. But rumour has it that it's going to open again soon. It's got an open fire. It's got plenty of seating. It's got a little kitchen.
It's got toilets.
It's got toilets and a bedroom, and then it's got lots of land around it where you can explore and what have you. But
it's got hot water, hasn't it?
No, it's
got running water though.
It's basic as it comes. So the question is, if we did it, who would be interested in coming and having a few beers around an open fire while it's cold and windy outside?
I might even...
You can't even sleep in your van in the car park, because the car park must hold about 5 to 10 vehicles easy.
I'll even put a burger on a barbecue for you.
And they might even cook. If it's something you think you might be remotely interested in, you don't have to commit. Just leave a comment down below and let us know. The sun's about to set in half an hour, so Sarah's going to drag me down the beach now.
Yeah, Alan don't want to go to the beach, but I do.
I think I've got enough. Look at my head.
The sun's going down, you won't have sun anymore, you'll be fine.
Look at that head. Yeah, let us know. Bye.
I'm sure that's on the pier.
The beach is there, I told you.
Yeah.
You see the sun setting?
I'd say we've been to Southport, both of us, many times over the years, haven't we? And I can honestly say it's not somewhere that I'd think, oh, let's go Southport, love.
Keep the camera still, kid.
Sorry. But it ain't that bad, to be honest.
It's definitely not Skegness and it's definitely not Blackpool.
I mean, the beach, I think the weather's making it a bit better, but yeah, I mean, I've been to Blackpool many, many times on many a hen-do. But yeah, it's got a nice coast. An alright town, hasn't it? A nice old pier. You know, on a sunny day, if you're in the northwest, near Merseyside, come to Southport.
Walking all this distance in flip-flops is not good for you. So we're heading back to the van.
It's not good for my brain, all I can hear is flip, flip.
Yeah, I've got like thong Havana type flip-flops on. And look, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Yeah, girl.
Thanks, babe. And here's the crab stick.
Yeah, so the plan is to get off here sharpish. It's about 8:30 now. Because yesterday's traffic was horrendous. And Sarah wants to go and see a very extravagant graveyard on the way back. But we have to wait till Mrs. Moocher has her second brew of the morning. Because 1 pint just isn't enough.
No, sorry, bye.
What's for breakfast?
Breakfast of champions today, isn't it?
Custardio donut. Pretty much packed the van away, almost. Bedding's down in the back. Windscreen cover's gone.
Just turning the seat round, roof down, an electric hook up to go in it, really.
Dead easy. One beautiful thing about a campsite is you hear everything. And the old bloke over the way there farted before. It sounded like a duck. But it sounded like one of those duck whistles that people have.
It did.
And being the polite man that I am, I communicated back in the same language.
Yeah. And it stung.
We are coming to look around the Commonwealth War grave. We've been to see a lot of very, very grand memorials, and now we're gonna go home unless we find anything amazing on the way home to see, which we know this area anyway because we're local. We'll see it in the next video, which will be, I've said this before, but it's very different to this one, and it is going to be very different to this one. And then we've got a van life festival at the end of the month as well, so see you soon.